Mmm. Yeah. Ah. Mmm. Ah. Ooh. You good? Hey. Yeah? You okay? Yeah, just getting myself pumped up. You know, it's only 3 pounds. What, this? Oh, I'm not eating this. How'd that get there? Okay. Dude, what? Are you good? I'm just getting myself pumped up. Well, can you pump yourself up a little quieter? I will try. Um, no, I can't. Really? Well, you try lifting this thing. It's not that easy. What? How did you do that? It's really not that hard. Even pump yourself up or anything. Well, I don't need to. At least not like how you do. How? Because it's only 5 pounds. Am I weak? Yep. Yes! Who you calling weak now? Bam! This is like a really light table. It's not that hard to lift.